Hi there. I was just trying to feed some birds, but I don't know if they like to eat what's in dirt. Have you ever wondered what birds like to eat and why they like to eat those things? If so, follow me this way. So today's activity is talking about bird beak adaptations. Beaks are very important to identifying birds, and so we want to know what a bird eats by looking at their beak. And in order to talk about these different bird beaks, we have some tools. We also have nectar, some bird seed and grain, rubber bands, which are going to represent worms, and some flies. And in order to help me with this activity, we have volunteer Zola here. Hello, Zola.
Hi.
So today we are going to do some experiments.
Okay.
We are going to see which bird's beak works best for which food. So if you want to, just grab any number of these and we are going to experiment. So for example, I have this pipette, which is very similar to a hummingbird. And the way this works is we squeeze the top of it and we put it in whatever we want it to, and we let go of the top and it'll suck whatever object it is up with it.
Okay.
So to see what a hummingbird would eat, let's see, would they eat worms? You want to try that?
Probably.
Let's see. It's not really sucking anything up. What about birdseed?
I think so.
They're a little too big, maybe a little too heavy. What about a fly? Did you see a hummingbird eating a fly?
No.
And obviously those flies are much bigger than real flies. What about our nectar here?
Let's try it.
And it worked! So that means hummingbirds use their beaks like a straw to suck up liquid. And our liquid here is representing nectar, and nectar comes from different plants and flowers. So hummingbirds hover above flowers and suck up the nectar to eat, and this gives them a natural sugary drink.
Wow.
Yeah. What about a raptor?
I'm guessing it's this one.
Yes, so raptors chomp and they can slice through their prey. So do you think that they would eat nectar?
No, I don't think so.
Let's try it.
Maybe not.
No, it doesn't look like it. That wouldn't really sustain a raptor. What about worms? Can we pick those up? Yeah. What about birdseed? Not really. So raptors are birds of prey. So they hunt other animals. So they have that sharp beak to help them eat other animals. Kind of like our worms or our flies. But in reality, they're more interested in our bigger mammals, like rabbits could be an example of something that a hawk would eat. Or even a mouse. What about our house sparrow? Yeah, exactly. They have a pretty small beak. So what do you think they would eat based on their beak?
I'm guessing either birdseed or worms.
Yeah, so let's see. Oh, we can definitely pick up birdseed. And their beaks are a little sharper than this. Yeah, perfect. So our sparrows are seed eaters, and they love birdseed and sunflower seeds and different grains. They are easy for them to pick up with their beak. So that's our activity, and these are things that you can easily do at home. Well, thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for joining me on this activity. I hope you enjoyed it. My name is Autumn, and as always, thanks for joining us for Wonders of Nature. So what do you like to eat? You like seeds? You like chicken?